start talking about Lindsay Lohan. It actually kind of makes sense because they were in a movie together, James Dean and Lindsay Lohan. Yes, exactly. Yeah. So Lindsay Lohan may have made another bad choice.
Fox 11 legal analyst Robin Sachs. And Robin, I love that you're here to talk about this because from day one when she did this, you said, ooh, that's a mistake.
Yes, and I'm still saying that that's a mistake. Just last Friday, her new lawyer, Mark Heller, who is that lawyer who is actually a practicing lawyer in New York but is taking on her case here, filed motions, including a letter that he had written to the city attorney suggesting that he wants to, actually not suggesting, asking to slow track the probation violation case in order to give Lindsay the opportunity to show everyone all this good that she is doing. So when I read this letter and I looked at his tactics, I sat here and I thought, oh, God, she should have stuck with Sean Chapman-Hawley. What this case needs for her and why Sean was such a good lawyer for her was that this was someone who has credibility because they've been with Lindsay this whole time. Now you have Mark Heller who is saying, oh, Lindsay Lohan is going to do charity work. Lindsay Lohan may have a foundation in order to help young kids. How much credibility does this guy who's known her for 6 weeks have? Even if this stuff is true, the person, the whole concept of criminal law is a concept that's based on relationship. When I was in the DA's office, I would know and take a lot of stock in what a defense attorney would say to me because I knew that they knew their case. We had a relationship. I knew that they had a relationship with their client. So here you have this new lawyer who is saying all the stuff that doesn't ring true to the public, certainly isn't going to ring true for the judge or prosecutor.
Yeah, I find it really interesting that they're saying that she wants to even record public service announcements and go and talk to students at schools. I don't know. I just find that interesting. Is she a role model that she should go to schools and speak?
Right. Well, and like, we haven't forgotten the long history. Mark Heller may have only been around during this little part, but that's exactly what the court's going to say is like, okay, she can't even, keep herself clean. We're going to put her on as the poster child. Like, you have to have some credibility in what you're saying, and you do that with history and showing baby steps. You can't go in here and try to clean this all up with one nice little letter.
All right. Well, thank you, Robin, for that.
Makes sense. All right, Robin. Thank you very much. Meanwhile, overseas.